Happy day.
Happy day. You know why it's happy? Because we're back in Seattle, Iowa, where
Yes.
it's always raining.
Yep. We are in Coralville, I say North Liberty, at the Emery. We've got a whole bunch of new bodycraft equipment for these guys. Treads, ellipticals, functional trainer, rower, dumbbells, dumbbell racks, blah, blah, blah.
Morning, everybody. Bart with Treadmill Heroes. We got the guys wrenching on a couple of bodycraft ellipticals. So yeah, we're going to get cracking and give you some updates along the way. Quit handling me with kid gloves. I'm fine.
Dude, you just had a C-section. You can't.
We're here in front of the mirrors.
Hi.
We are here for day 2 of the Emery Luxury Apartments. We got pretty much everything licked out yesterday. Today is all the fine tuning. Be super duper.